Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.